Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
We're fine.
How about you, Drexler? What's wrong? Are you sick?
No, ma'am, I'm just okay.
Oh, are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will discuss about trigonometric functions. So, did you understand our topic for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, but before that, I have a song which will make you more understand our topic. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so I will start the song first. Do you know trigonometric functions?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the...
Sine, cosine, tangent.
Very good. Used to solve.
Sine and angle.
Okay, what are the formulas of these different functions? Okay, sing with me.
Sine, opposite, hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent, hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite, adjacent. Which is the Soh Cah Toa.
Okay, very good. Okay, did you enjoy the song, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now we will have a quiz.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now here's the paper. Get one and pass. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So let us check your work. Please exchange your papers.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the answer for number 1? Square root of 3. Okay, very good. Number 2,
5.
5. Number 3, it's 35 degrees. Okay. How about number 4?
43 ba?
43 degrees. Okay, very good. And number 5, the last number?
2 square root of 3, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, look at perfect.
I got perfect ba?
Very good. How about you too? Okay, very good, class. Oh, how about you, Drexler? Okay, so pass your papers. Okay. Okay, class dismissed. Goodbye, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Luna.
Bye, ma'am. Drexler, what's wrong?
I got 0 for the quiz and I really don't understand what's the lesson today. It's so hard to understand.
Oh, it's okay. I will teach you.
Really?
Yes.
You'll help me?
Of course.
Thanks a lot, Kenneth May.
No problem. Come on, let's go to the library.
Let's go.
So now I will teach you about trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions talk about the sine, cosine, and tangent. So if we have a right triangle here, we can use sine, cosine, and tangent to figure out the angles or sides in the right triangle given that there is enough information. Of course, we should see to it that we have a right angle so that we can apply the Soh Cah Toa. If we have triangles like this, or these which are not right angle triangle, we cannot apply the Soh Cah Toa. Now, the right angle is always opposite to the longest side, and this longest side is what we called the hypotenuse. The other two sides are the legs. So, if we have an angle here, then the side opposite to it, which is this side, is what we called the opposite side. And the other side next to our angle is the adjacent side. Now, how about if we will have another angle here instead of this one? Well, the sides would be labeled differently. However, the hypotenuse would still be in the same place, opposite to the right. So in our new angle, the side opposite to it is the opposite side. And the other side is the adjacent. For you not to forget the trigonometric function, just remember this term, Soh Cah Toa. So for sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Again, SOH is for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Now for Ka, we have the cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Lastly, Toa, we have the tan equals opposite over adjacent. Again, sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent equals opposite over adjacent.
So, did you understand it already?
Not that much. All the infos are here, but my mind can't absorb all this stuff. It's like there's something lacking, and I can't picture out all the drawings here. I don't know what to do. Can you please help me again?
Aha! I have an idea. How about you? Do you have an idea?
Nothing.
Well, I have an idea.
What is it?
We will go outside and we will explore things that is related in our topic.
Really?
Isn't it amazing?
Amazing!
Isn't it exciting?
Exciting!
So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Let's go!
Look at that lady in blue. She is looking at the top of the lamppost. For instance, we have a line from the top of the post to the girl, measuring 10 meters. And there is an angle between them, measuring 43 degrees. How far is the girl from the post?
Oh, to answer that, we will use the sine function.
Sine 43 degrees is equal to opposite over 10 meters. Now to get the opposite side, we just have to multiply 10 by sine 43 degrees. So the answer is
6.82 meters. Thus, the girl is 6.82 meters away from the lamppost.
very good. So now, let us look for another example. Come on, Trix. Look, there is a ladder leaning on the wall. Suppose that the angle between the ladder and the ground is 58 degrees, and the bottom of the ladder is 5 meters from the wall. How long is the ladder?
Let me think of it. We are going to use cosine to solve that problem.
That's right. So, cosine 58 degrees is equals to 5 meters over the hypotenuse. And to get the hypotenuse, which is the length of the ladder, we just have to divide 5 meters by cosine 58 degrees. And the answer is 9.44 meters. So, did you get it?
Yes. Kenneth May, can we have one more example?
Sure, come on, follow me.
How about that tree? Can you see that girl looking at it?
Yes.
Suppose the girl is 4 meters away from the tree and we denote it as A. And there exists a line from the top of the trunk to the girl. And the trunk is 13 meters high and we denote this as B. So what will be the measure of the angle formed by the line and the ground?
Since the given values are the opposite side and the adjacent side, therefore we should use the tangent function. Am I right?
Yes, you're right. Tan theta is equal to B over A, wherein B equals 13 and A equals 4 meters. Now to get the measure of the angle, we just have to get the arctan of the quotient of B over A. So, the answer is
72.90 degrees.
that's correct. So Drexler, is it clear to you now?
Yes. Thank you, Kenneth May.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, how was your weekend?
It was fine, Mom.
Okay, very good. So now, before we will move on to another topic, I will give you an exam about our last discussion, which is
About trigonometric functions.
okay, very good. So I can see that Drexler is very jolly right now.
Because I just studied that topic from last day.
Okay, very good. So here's your exam. Please pass. Oh, where's Lynette?
She's absent, ma'am.
Why?
I think she has a paper.
Okay, so here's your paper. And for your scratch paper, you can use this.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I will give you 30 minutes to answer that exam. Okay, so are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so exchange your papers. Okay, so the answer for number 1 is letter D. Okay, so count all the correct answers. Over 50. Okay, so return your papers in. Who got perfect?
Ma'am, I got perfect.
Oh, very good, Drexler. Can I have your paper? How about 49? Mom, 49. And you? 48, Mom. Okay, very good. We will not discuss for today, so you may go.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you so much, Kenneth May. I really learned many things from you. I really owe you a lot.
Oh, no problem.
Two, three, four. Soh Cah Toa, 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 Soh Cah Toa. Sign, opposite hypotenuse sign, opposite hypotenuse sign, opposite hypotenuse cosine, adjacent hypotenuse cosine, adjacent hypotenuse cosine, adjacent hypotenuse tangent, opposite adjacent tangent, opposite adjacent tangent, opposite adjacent. Soh Cah Toa, 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 Soh Cah Toa.